With the back seat folded forward, we're going to go ahead and figure out what we need to take apart so we can flip that carpet up. Let's see, so we're going to remove these bars to pull the carpet forward. With a T50 Torx bit, we're going to go ahead and remove those bolts. Next, we're going to have to unclip this panel here. It should unclip just enough so you can get some carpet out. Had to also unclip this plastic that snapped in here. Using a tie down, I went ahead and strapped the carpet up. And those two little round discs are where you can get access to the gas tank. We're going to go ahead and remove these 4 schmiggle schmags. We're going to go ahead and remove these 10mm nuts. Alright, now with this plate off, we can see inside, and this is where we've got the leaky gas smell going on here. This top piece, it ends up cracking and then leaks gas. You'll see a drop under your car there. Here's the clip here that needs to be depressed so you can then pull off the electrical. Now we're going to get into this, and we've got to pinch, push in, pinch the clip, and pull out. Little fuel comes out, no big deal. Wondering where this guy is, if he even belongs. Now, to get this big ring off here, we're gonna have to improvise. So we're gonna use these 2 pieces of triangle steel. We're gonna go ahead and locate the small grooves and go ahead and use a vice grip to clamp it down. All right. It's my own contraption, homemade. All right. We're gonna go ahead and wiggle this thing out. Alright, now that we've got it broken free, let's take a look and see what we got to disconnect here. So we're going to go ahead and unplug this connector. Get our pick in there. There we go. Looks like we got a good start. There we go. Didn't even cut my finger off. I'm gonna go ahead for the next one. I have no clue how this works, but let's find out. Looks like maybe if I press the sides. Oh, there I go. Just manhandled that. Brought it back a little ways up. Let's just go ahead and try to take the whole clip off. So once the clip's off, I'm able to pinch the sides. There we go. Now, don't want to let that escape, because we're not going to reuse that clip. All right, there's one more here. And a screw thingamabobber. So another one of these, we got to pinch it. Oh, there we go. Like magic. Now this is a fuel filter. It's not a pump, but it's an actual filter. And the head of these filters crack and they cause major leaks. So if you're smelling gas and you're seeing it under your passenger rear tire, right in front of the tire, this is your problem. Here's the new filter. You can see all the connections are the same. This one is blank. There's nothing that goes in it here. The one thing that is different on this part, in which it is a factory part. Instead of the screw here, they've put this contraption in place, and this is now the ground and has a crimp on it. I'm going to go ahead and remove this crimp and put my own crimp on the existing wire and attach it. Alright, so let's do the electrical last, and let's get these babies plugged in. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one. It's just going to push right in, clip. I'm going to go ahead and get this one here. It's going to push right in, clip. This is the new ground. Goes right on. This is the plug. And that is the ring. Alright. It's going to fit nicely in there. We got our gasket in place already. So now we need to put our ring back on. The ring says BMW. It's a German hiding in British clothing. Interesting enough, it's British. It was sold to BMW, German, which was sold to Ford, American. And then this is the year that's part British, part American, and also part German. And then they sold, I believe, to an Indian company. And that should be sufficient. Line it up. And there she is, snapped in nice and tight. The plug shall now go on. Everything seems to be in good order. All right, we're back. All right, car runs. Fuel filter seems to be working. Everything's connected.